One of the common problems these days is sleepless nights. The mind chatters a lot before sleeping, or lying down in bed, you try your best but can't sleep. Moreover, sometimes you wake up at middle of the night and then unable to sleep for many hours. No worries, we have you covered for it. Here are some easy tips to help you out on this issue. This is your host and friend Jitendra. Welcome to your journey of freedom from everyday life challenges by power of your own mind. We are not gurus here, but someone like you only, and gone through the challenges which you may be facing. That is why we don't deliberate Gyan in our videos, but show you practical actions which we can implement. Here we discuss easy methods to help yourself. If you're not subscribed yet, you may be missing out. We also have a bonus for you at the end of this video. So let's get into our today's topic of discussion, how to sleep fast. All of us would like to fall asleep as soon as our head hits the pillow at the night. We expect our mind to switch off immediately, so we sleep peacefully. It looks an ideal scenario, but reality may differ, and we spend hours lying in bed but unable to sleep. Let us first explore why it happens. We often go to bed thinking about issues, goals, to-do list, or other random thoughts, so the mind gets activated instead of slowing down. It creates several thoughts through the night, disturbing sleep, taking a toll on us physically and emotionally. So what is the solution to overcome this problem of sleepless nights? Here are 5 tips for you to sleep in 45 seconds. Just do these things on daily basis. Tip number 1. Make a resting schedule. Balance your work and right amount of rest and relaxation. Make right sleeping habits which enable your mind, brain and body to function at their highest potential. Most important thing, you should follow a fixed bedtime. Tip number 2. Learn how to deal with gadgets. Please switch off the television. Watch no screen like laptop or mobile before going to bed. This means withdraw from gadgets 30 minutes before sleeping. Best thing is to replace it with books and read. Start this habit by reading at least 1 page before sleeping. We will discuss more on this soon. Tip number 3. Develop a relaxing routine. Practice a relaxing routine to prepare your mind and body for rest at least 1 hour before you lie down. This is possible by keeping yourself away from high intensity activities or debates or high level of planning. Give rest to your mind well before going to bed. Tip number 4. Apply this method to deal with disturbing thoughts. Watch your thoughts but don't get indulged. If there is any unresolved issue on the mind, if your mind is disturbed, if it is churning on any thoughts from the day, stress from family, work, finances, if the mind is uneasy, then you immediately counsel your mind. Give it answers to the questions. Or best thing is, give it an instruction that I will think about this matter the next day. Surprisingly, your mind will obey you. It will slowly become silent and stop thinking about that matter and will calm down. Try and practice this unique method. It really works. Tip number 5. Read before going to bed. Reading uplifting, inspiring books for 10 minutes or listen to pure information. This will help your mind create clean, perfect thoughts. Then repeat your affirmations of the day as the last layer of information on the mind. Just do these 5 things and you will sleep like a baby. It will ensure that your body and mind are well rested through the night so they get charged and rejuvenated. And of course, you stuck with us until the end, you get a bonus. Take this moment to see how you resolve issues on mind before going to sleep at night. One of our favorite methods is pen and paper method. If you're trying to sleep but your mind is constantly thinking about a problem, then immediately take pen and paper or diary. Just write the problems and challenges you're facing at that point in time. Tell yourself to look at it tomorrow. Keep the diary and we are sure you will get deep sleep in no time. In addition to this, here is a simple affirmation script for you. Relax and say to yourself slowly, I am a happy being. I am light and pure. My mind remains calm throughout the day. I take good care of my mind and body. I am peaceful, I am happy, and I am light. I will resolve this matter tomorrow. I feel safe and secure. My life is perfect. I always have everything that I need. I always have everything that I need. Now it's done. I will put this affirmation script for you in the video description below. Repeat this affirmation every night. To get the sleep, you need to slow down your mind. When you sleep with a light and clean mind, you give yourself enough time to sleep and wake up fresh the next morning. Just follow these methods and do this affirmation daily for next 21 days, and you will see things will start changing positively in your life. Remember, as we say, every small step is important to achieve a big goal. So what is that one thing you liked in this video and will implement from today? Also, what are the other challenges you are facing at present? We would like to hear your comments. Please write in the comment box below. Now I will take your leave. Lots of gratitude and thanks for watching. If you like these videos, then remember to subscribe. You may send this channel link to that one person who will get benefit from such self-help videos. Channel link is given in the description below. This was your friend and host Jitendra. We will meet soon in the next video. Take care and keep yourself happy always. Bye.